Hi, I'm Regis Haid. I'm here at the Seattle Science Foundation, and I've been asked to comment about my semi-retirement and some advice I would give to my younger self. Actually, I'd actually give a lot of advice to my younger self. But as I look back, I'm 68. I stopped the practice of neurosurgery at 66. I'm still actively engaged in consulting, designing, AI, robotics, navigation. In fact, that's why I'm here in Seattle. But I think some things that I've learned over the years would be, one, is to stay focused and avoid distraction. There's a lot of distractions in our world today. Social media, the pulls and pulls of healthcare. And so what I try to do is stay focused on what's important in my life and my priorities and avoid distractions. It sounds easy, but it's actually quite disciplined. The other thing to do is to stay in the moment. Lou Holtz was a very famous football coach in Notre Dame where I went. He won the national championship, and he said, win, W-I-N, how do you win? It's what's important now. Lou Saban, football coach, talks about the process. I've had the opportunity to take care of a lot of professional athletes. They all stay focused. They stay focused in the game, in the shot. And the pro golfers I take care of, they focus on hitting the shot now. They had a bad shot, it's gone. Next shot, they don't think about. And as surgeons, we have to stay focused on what's important now. If you're a resident, it's about studying the boards, getting some sleep, practicing your skills. And I think as we go throughout our life, again, we avoid distractions and we stay focused in the process, whatever your job is. So if you're a football player, you have 90 yards to go to score a touchdown to win the game. You have 2 minutes to go. Do you think about the touchdown? No. You think about the first down. Break that down. You think about the next play. You break that down. You think about this play. You break that down. You think about this block I have to execute. So when you're doing surgery, you think about the patient, the position, the opening, the placement of hardware, the decompression, the closure. You don't sit there and worry about other stuff that's gone in the past or in the future. You focus on what are you doing right here, right now. The last thing, have fun. Enjoy yourself. It's a passion. Have a ball. Incorporate your family and friends into your life. And I think if you do those things, you'll find that you'll hopefully get old like me and have a very successful career. Take care. Okay?
That's great. Thank you. Let me grab the microphone for me.
Oh, certainly.
You are free to go, and thank you so much.
Thank you.